Welcome to example 2i. We are going to find the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20 using the prime factorization method. Let us find the prime factorizations of 6 and 20. 6 equals 2 times 3. So 6 equals 2 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 1. 20 equals 2 times 5. Right. Breaking 4 further, 20 equals 2 squared times 5 times. The only prime common to both numbers is 2. To find the HCF, we take the smallest power of each common prime factor. The factorizations are 6 equals 2 to the 1 times 3, and 20 equals 2 squared times 5. The only common prime is 2. Its smallest power across both numbers is 2 to the 1, which equals 2. Therefore, HCF of 6 and 20 is 2. For the LCM, we take the greatest power of every prime that appears in either number. Our factorizations use the primes 2, 3, and 5. The greatest powers are 2 squared, 3 to the 1, and 5 to the 1. Multiplying 4 times 3 times 5 equals 60. Therefore, LCM of 6 and 20 is 60. Notice that HCF times LCM equals the product of the original numbers. 2 times 60 equals 120, and 6 times 20 also equals 120. In fact, for any two positive integers, a and b, HCF times LCM equals a times b. This gives us a fast way to find the LCM once we know the HCF at I.